One of my good friends, Tomasz, have contacted me as he wanted to add this sort of masking effect to his images on his new Framer template. And this made me realize that, I could actually record a little short showcasing how this effect can be created in Framer in a really simple way. So let me show you. And pay close attention because you can create any sort of scroll animation with this technique inside the Framer without writing any code. So first of all, we have an image right here on our canvas, and we have to just wrap it inside of a frame. So we're going to add a frame, and then we're going to turn this frame into a component. So this is really important. Once we have the component, we create the out variant, and we're going to later create another variant. But first, let's just set up the out variant. What we want to do here is we want to mask it down. How do we do that? Well, we go to the right panel, styles, we add mask. You might be wondering, okay, I created this mask, but it is a linear gradient and I want to make sure that the sharp edge is visible on the top. Super simple, just add a new little point and set it to 100 alpha. This will make sure that the edge is sharp if these 2 points are really close to each other. So let's just bring these points to the bottom so we have the out variant set up perfectly. And then if we click here and then here, we'll create a new variant. This is going to be called in because this is when the animation plays in. And so we select the image again and we just basically move these points to the top, and again make sure that they are really close to each other so the sharp edge will be maintained. So now we have this component that all we have to do is to just put this just multiple times on our little website, and then now what we have is just 3 components that have an out and an in variant. And so all we have to do now is to just make sure that we animate from out to in when the layers come into view. So the way we do that is we select all of the components. On the right we click effects, then we select scroll variant. The scroll variant will be triggering when the layer is in view, and we're gonna switch from the out variant to the in variant. And it's that simple. Now if we preview this and we start scrolling down, these images will be masked in as they come into view. Pretty simple. If you want to learn more about Framer, make sure to follow for more.